Okay, what you gonna do?
Minus 40.
Subtract 40, subtract 40. So x cubed, 25 minus 40 is negative 15. Take the cube root, right? Take the cube root. So you have x. Oh, cube root of 15, I don't think we can do anything. So 15 is 5 and 3. So the answer is just cube root of negative 15. All right. Do we subtract 10 minus 10?
No.
No, okay, because 10 is inside of the power as well. So how can you cancel the power 5? Take the root of power 5 or fifth root. Cancel this out. Do we have plus and minus? We check the root. Do we have plus and minus?
Yes.
When do we have plus and minus and when we do not? When the power is even, you have plus minus. This one is odd. You don't have the plus minus. So remember this. When the power is odd, there's nothing crazy going on. There's no plus minus, there's no I. Remember that. When the power is odd. Okay? Crazy thing only happen when it's even. Because of this thing. That's why we have crazy thing on the even power. Like this. This become 4. Yeah. So that's why. For the odd power, there's no crazy thing going on. So it's just fifth root of 70. I think 70 you cannot do anything as well. 7 and 10, right? So minus 10, that's it. Okay, 58.
Oh, you don't subtract it?
So plus 34, right? And what is this then? 215. Take the sixth root. Take the sixth root to cancel this.
Plus minus.
Plus minus. Now this is even. You need to have plus minus. 215, can we do anything? What is 215? If you divide by 5, what does you have? 43? Oh, so you cannot do anything. That's it. How many of you got actually all these 4 correctly?
Of course.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So that moves it. Right, thank you. Can I raise it? Oh,
That's not for the lesson.
When I know, but you know, like I still have the money.
yeah.
Were you holding your breath?
Wait, what? You don't do it? No, it's no real solution. Yeah, we ask.
I mean,
And you have to say, like, you live in.
Okay, question today is very hard. Be careful, okay? Very hard. What is this? How hard is this?
What is that?
Well, last year I didn't review the fraction. But I actually saw a lot of you last year struggling with fraction, but you didn't say it. So I think to be safe, I will just review fraction. Like add fraction, multiply fraction, just in case, okay? Just in case you confuse, you see confusion in this, okay? When you add the fraction or you subtract the fraction, what do we need? We need the same denominator. Is the same already? Good to go. So you need to work on the top. 1 plus 3 is, and 4 divided by 2 is. All right. If you look at this already, you need to write down. But if you're not, write down this. Okay. Multiplication. What you gonna do? Huh? Do we need to get the same denominator too? Just top to top, bottom to bottom. Okay. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, again, if you already know this, you already go at this, you don't need to write. Just in case, I just want to be safe, like some of you, what you didn't want to ask. What about you have some, like this? You need to get the same denominator. How do you get the same denominator?
Multiply.
Multiply by this bottom number, right? So 5, and this one by 2. The reason we do this because 2 times 5 is 10, and 5 times 2 is 10. Now they have the same denominator. Okay, whatever you do to the bottom, you need to do to the top. So 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 2 is 6. Same denominator, good to go. Now you need to work on the top. 5 plus 6 is 11 over 10. Okay. Same thing, but I just want to be safe. If it's multiplication, you don't need to get the same denominator. To top, bottom to bottom. Okay. So 3 over 10. Yeah. How about this?
You gotta convert the two in order to get the same.
Just
denominator.
one.
So I multiply both of them by 4.
No.
By 2 only. Okay.
5 over 4.
Because the goal is we want them to become 4. But this you can actually just multiply by 2. You get 4 already. You don't need to do this. Okay. So multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Now this is already 4. So 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4, that's 5 over 4. Okay. What else? How about this?
One can.
So what are you gonna do? Do we need to get the same denominator? No, because it's multiplication, right? So top to top, bottom to bottom.
No, you cross out.
Yeah, that's the wrong way. You can cancel out. I don't know if you know this, so let's review this. If you see the top and the bottom, this is multiplication. You can cancel right away. 6 and 2. What can you divide it? Divided by 2, right? 6 divided by 2 is 3. So equal to 3. And this one is 1, right? 11 and 55. You can divide by 11, right? 11 divided by 11 is 1. 55 divided by 11 is 5. Now 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 5 is 5. Faster. Okay, don't top to top, bottom to bottom. If you see something, you can cross out. Yeah? I think it's good to review because actually when I review on period 2, there's some people they actually, oh, I didn't know this. So also unit 6. How do we handle this? 5 to power 3, 5 squared. Okay,
Add the exponent.
add the exponent, very good. So 5 to the power 5. Unit 6, remember this, right? Yeah, okay. So I can tell you ahead of time, today it just combine this one and this one. So nothing new, nothing new. How about divide? You subtract, yes, very good. So 5, 3 minus 2. Do you know why? Do you know why we plus, why we subtract? Do you know the reason? Yeah, but, or you just memorize the formula.
No.
So actually, let me just explain because the way if you understand why, then you can memorize more. 5 to the power 3 is what? 5 times 5 times 5, right? 5 to the power 2 is 5 times 5. So if I multiply them together, 5, 3 and 5, 2, I'm going to have 5 times 5 times 5, and then 5 times 5. So how many 5 have? That's why that's why you add them. So if you understand why you add them, then you can memorize it. And then if you divide it, on the top I have 3 number 5, right? On the bottom I have 2. Then I cancel the 5 out. I have left 1. That's why you subtract them. Did I tell you this when we learned in unit 6? Okay, so maybe this can help you to memorize more. All right. What else we learned on unit 6? How about 5 to the power 3 and then outside is 2? What you gonna do with power? You multiply them. Yeah? 3 times 2 is 6. And you know why too? Okay. If you have the square outside, that means whatever inside multiply by itself, right? So it's 5, 3 times 5, 3. And again, that means you 5, 6, you add them. That's why 3 times 2 is 6. That's why you multiply it, okay? What else? What is 5 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 3? Now you don't have the same base anymore, but what do you have the same? The power, what you're gonna do?
10, 6. You multiply.
You multiply, right? Let's give Dana 1 point. So you put them together, we have the same power. So 5 times 2 to the power 3, and 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 to the power 3. Anyway, what is 10 to the power 3? You know how to do the power of the 10? This number, yeah, this number indicates how many zero you have. So 1000. Yeah. 10 to the power 3. Oh, because here 3 and 3 have same power. So I put them into the same parentheses power. And then 5 times 2 is 10. Yeah?
But if they were different.
Good. What about the different power? You cannot do anything.
Oh.
So unless they have same base or same power. If you don't have the same anything, then you don't do anything. Right. If they have the same power, parentheses is also not necessary. But if they have the same power, you put them into the same power.
But if,
Only multiply.
and if they had a different base, then.
Yeah, you cannot do anything. I mean, this is only different base. I mean, if they don't have the same base, they don't have the same power, there's nothing you can do. Yeah, same base, then you add the power. You can see right away. If they have the same power, put the base multiply together. Yeah. What else we learn from? Good question. What have we learned from this one? How about? How about negative power? How can you do to make the negative power become positive?
Negative 125.
What do you mean fraction? 1 over 3? Yeah, okay. Very good. Don't flip the power. I actually saw you some of you flip the power. I don't know who in the class or this period, but I saw that already. So flip the power. Okay. I mean
No.
flip the number. Flip the number only because you want this one to become positive. Okay. Don't flip the power. Also, I also see this. Make sure you don't make that mistake. Very common. Let's say 1 over 2 x 1 over 2 x to the power negative 3. What do you flip? Do you flip the 2? Don't flip the 2, okay? I saw a lot actually. Like we say negative power, then you flip everything. Don't. This is not correct. You only flip the 1, flip the negative power. So 1 over 2 is still there. Just the x, they're gonna move to the top. Okay? Make sense? I think we have 6 properties, but one more. Distribute, yeah, distribute. Do you remember this? Okay. Maybe. Okay. 5 over 2. Same thing, maybe 3. What you gonna do? Distribute the power. Every single thing, okay? So like 5 cube over 2 cube. So that's gonna be 125 over 8.
You don't subtract.
You don't subtract because they don't have the same base. You only subtract them when they have the same base. Yeah. So be aware of this one, same base. Same base. Okay. This one there's no 2 base. This one only 1 base. This is same power. So don't be confused, okay? Same base, same power. This one that whenever you see 2 power next to each other, multiply them. It is, yeah, distribute. Right, so today just combine these two. Work with fraction and work with this property. We can finish very early. So we can also submit your grades. Okay, this is level 1.
How many levels?
4 level. You have total 16 problem.
Oh, that's good.
16, but look at how long is one problem like this.
But you said it was hard. It's level one.
I forgot.
X over 3/4.
Derivatives, what are you gonna do?
3/4.
Yeah, yeah, so tell me one by one step, so
No, one
it's
half.
clear. Huh?
1/2 times 2. Right? Times 2 times 2.
Yeah, okay, so that means you're gonna add them first, right? You're gonna add them and then you make this one become same denominator. Plus 2, 4, and that's a 3 over 4.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 point for Donovan. See, that's it for one problem. That's math.
Yeah.
Right? You definitely write it down.
All right, second, number 2. Raise your hand, Carlos, let's go. Huh? Add them, right? So 7 over 5 plus 3 over 5, which is 10 over 5, right? And yeah, so x squared. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Remember to simplify fraction as well. 1 power Carlos. Number 3, last one for level 1. How about this? Do on your meaning whiteboard. Whoever got this right, I'm gonna give you one point. 2 minutes. So, okay, here's how I input your grade. Let's say this week you have like 7, but the week 8 you only have 3 out of 5. I'm gonna put 2 extra points on that one, okay? Just so you know. Otherwise you're like, oh, why do I have only 5 points this week? I make it 7. Because I make it 2 extra, make it up whatever you basic, okay? All right, 2 minutes.
Do we just put the answer? Do we just?
Just put the answer, that's fine. But be expect that I'm gonna ask you why, okay?
I'm not done. Not done.
10 more seconds.
What? 10 seconds.
Should be fast. You only need the 1 minute for this.
Oh, no. I mean,
Right.
Yeah.
just X. Oh,
Oh,
abroad.
I don't know.
it is 1?
What?
You know this is 2, right?
What?
What?
It look like 1?
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's 2.
That's it.
What the hell? Answer.
All right, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, go back. Go back to 2 minutes. I don't know, so you get points, so it's just, I don't know. I cannot answer.
I just put it in the numerator because you know how you did it the same. That's fine.
It's over.
Over.
Did you get the link? Did you get something? No.
No,
But I
I don't.
we could, yeah.
Even better if I just erase it.
Third, right?
Oh,
Wait, yeah. I think it was there.
What's up? What?
you don't like the person?
I do, I'm saving
Girl.
them.
Oh, the balance. I was about to say, give me that.
You want it? Yeah, the way it's gonna come in there. I think the one is X.
Chicken last one. Like when you start like making big numbers, maybe.
He like saves them and I just.
But it's not one.
Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, let's go.
No.
If you done, then focus, because or you do something else. All right, take ratio boy, if you done. What are your final? Okay. So,
Yeah, this is letting you know. Yeah, you can grind it up. Okay, so this copy.
I wonder what
when she's wearing that.
All right, Natalie, ready? Ruby, you have it? Fernando, Natalie, you have it too? Well, let me see your voice first. Okay. Dana. I should pause this. Yeah, stand on your feet. It's not sure that the other got it right though.
Yeah, I feel like that. I don't think it's right. It's right.
How can you say that is going to be the top? You write like this. How can it be the top?
Oh,
Yeah. All right. So distribute the power. It's going to be x to negative 2 or 3. Right? You multiply them, right? And y. What is y? I think you all got the y. 3 over 3. Yeah, it's 1. 3 over 3 is just 1. So y. How you make this negative become positive? You flip it. Do I flip like 3 over 2? No. I asking you. I didn't give the statement. Do I flip 3 over 2? Yeah, you flip the big number. Remember, okay? So x go down, become 2 over 3. Y on the top. You can write like this. Okay, you can write like this. But you need to make sure y is like this. In the middle or on the top. You cannot write like this. You write like this, that means y on the bottom. That's not correct. Okay? That means you flip both of them. Welcome to math. All right.
Alright, let us.
No, we're gonna do it together. What are we gonna do with the power? You have more chance. What are we gonna do with the power? Is that same base or different base? Different base? What is the base? What is the base? Now he tried. Now we try to find. You look at the base in this. This number is power. Base is a big number. Okay, that's what I call base. 7 over 10 minus 1 over 5. So 1 over 5, you need to make them into 2 over 10. You multiply by 2. Right? 5 to become 10.
I can't even see. No,
5 over 10 is 1/2. So y to the power 1/2. It's still level 2. There's nothing special here. You just need to subtract the power. Same base, subtract the power, right? 7/10 minus 1 over 5. I assume you know how to subtract the fraction. We already reviewed it. Four level. Oh, eight.
You're wrong.
All right, do on the board. Do a video whiteboard. 2 minutes. Change to get point. You don't need to do it. Yeah, then
We, Mr. You
just
said
do
if
it.
they're added like, if they're the same base, then you would just combine them, right?
Yeah, the unit stick is still on the board right there.
Okay.
Same base, then you work with the power. You add them or subtract them. Same power, you just put the base together, multiply them or divide it. Okay. This is 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Okay. So make sure you can read it. This is negative 1 over 4. Negative 1 over 4. So make sure you because 6 is this. Leilani. This is 4. Leilani, do you understand it? Yeah? Can I help you something?
Then now the other side.
Okay, you can combine. I think Leilani flipped both of them, right? But you can combine them too. Combine this one too. It's fine. So 1/2 plus negative 0.6.
Just
What-
skip
what
that
did
part
you-
and you can put 3/6, because you have to convert it either way.
What?
Huh?
What?
You have to convert it in order to subtract it, right? The bottom part.
What?
Look,
You say
in order to
convert one
subtract
half.
it, you need to convert 1/2.
Ah, you
Yeah.
mean the fraction, yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be 3/6 minus 1/6, right? Yeah, okay, continue over here. We're gonna erase later.
Yeah.
It's negative 1/4. 2/6. And you at least got to here.
1/3, yeah.
Yeah, you at least got to here, right? We didn't do anything, we just add the power on the bottom. Yeah. So it's 1/6, that's mean 1/1/3.
1/3.
Yes, very good. So it's going to be 8x 1/3. Now what do you want to do next? The negative, flip it. I literally know what
Yeah.
something going had to happen. That's why we have the note right here. That's why I give the note right here. Yeah, but your power not correct. That's why I give the note right here. But a lot of you I saw, you flip the 8. You put an 8 on the top.
We didn't,
That's
so we gotta write.
Oh.
that is the right one. If you put the 8 on the bottom, then you got it right.
8x.
You know, me.
Ain't no way you told us this wrong.
Oh, wow.
Negative become positive, you flip it down. But don't flip the 8. And put it right here and knows what is going to happen. The 2 doesn't have any negative power. Don't flip it. You only flip the one with negative power. Okay? So 8 is still on the bottom.
So the answer is 8x.
So 1/8 is still there.
8x.
Now 1/3 plus 1/4. Okay, that's what you need to do. Plus 1/4. What is this then?
12.
2/12.
1/12.
1/12.
Oh, what the hell am I saying? 7/12.
7/12.
Wait, Mr. Me and we literally got that.
That's what I
We literally got that.
No, you didn't get this.
Because we didn't put
1/8. Yeah, no, it's wrong. It's wrong. Matt, you need to get exactly the same. You flip the 8. That's only wrong.
I swear I got that exact same answer. Very big. No, I didn't.
No, there is something wrong. It's because I saw it.
No, so we didn't get it right because we didn't put.
No, I didn't.
Keep trying. Keep trying. Oh,
Are you gonna give us
Wow.
more chances to do it?
yeah, you have more chance. Did I?
No.
Actually, 3. Okay, yeah.
It's all right, we'll love you.
So this is level 3. Just take time to write down first. So
No, we forgot the one.
now can we rewrite this? I think we go with this, right? Yeah.
His face-
I want to keep this one because I know some of you, but still didn't. Be careful here.
Are we doing the?
Yeah, level 3.
Yeah.
Okay, let me write here. Level 3 right here. So 9 to root of 4. Root of 4 roots. All right, let's give Leleni 1 point. She didn't point. She didn't say any point anyway. 4. 4. Anybody going to need point? Okay. What you gonna do? Simplify. What form is easier? Simplify. Exponent. So you want to change it, right? So 9 to the power 1/4. What's special about number 9? It's a perfect square, right? So it's going to be 3 squared. Yeah, 3 squared. Remember outside you still have 1/4. And just ease you in level 3. Is it easy? So 3, 1/2. That's it.
Like what? So where this one.
I don't watch that shit.
She's literally in love.
I'm not saying. I'll talk to you again.
Oh, we're supposed to do it?
No, are you done writing it? So I'm gonna give you time to write it. Okay, what can we do here?
Dude, I'm telling you, that we can cuddle.
Raise your hand to get point. So what can we do here? Irma?
With the show or with like one character?
Yes, you convert this, so 5 to the power
You don't even know.
1/2 and 5 to the power 3 or 4. What you gonna do with the power here?
Make it the same. Wait, no, add one.
Add them. So 1/2 plus 3, 4. How can you make them into the same denominator? Right, so that's gonna be multiplied 2, 4.
It's gonna be
So 2, 4 plus 3, 4, it is
5.
5, 4, that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Why is this level 3?
Because it's convert, you need to convert them into exponents.
Like, it's be level 1.
1 for Irma,
Oh.
What's like later? What's like later?
Literally show me your spot, bro.
I have
I did too. No, I'm I stopped.
Also, this is the other one. No, but yeah, exactly. I know that shit by memory now. I don't want that.
I said east you in level 3.
You did not. That is not easy.
That's
What
easy.
the hell is that mean?
Yeah, I said east you in. Yeah, see, this is easy.
It's like 5 levels.
You know what his kind of math is? No, this is kind of something that just makes it harder over time. You just want your brain to like.
Okay, then we're good.
All right, who have any idea?
No one's gonna raise their hand. What was expected?
1 times 6 am I clear? And 1/3.
Just 1/3.
Oh no. No?
No.
I'm sorry.
1/3 times 4.
Wait, is it 16 1/3 parentheses 1 times?
Say it.
16 1/3 parentheses 1 times.
That's it. One more for Irma. 16. What is this? You just because you just scared of when you look like this. It's not that scary. Watch this. How can you change the radical 3? How can you change the radical 3? Anyone? Root power. How can you change it? 1/3, right? You still have the square root outside, right? Just both inside, 1 by 1. And now what is the square root? 1/2. That's it. See, even though it looks scary, you didn't think. You just like, oh, it's so scary. Oh, and you're not gonna give up in my class, okay? Just do it. Don't. The time you spend to whining, the same time you're gonna solve it.
You're gonna take out a water bottle again.
2 or 4.
You think about this. And whining is contagious. Now a lot of you are whining. The time you spend to whining, just do it. Just solve it. Like, oh my, you got it. All right. Okay, now what you gonna do with this? Multiply. That's it. So 1/3 times 1/2 is 1/6. But what about a 16? 16 is
Perfect square.
well 4 square. Yes, but actually you can go more.
Oh, wait, 2 is
2, 4. So you can go to the smallest number. Okay. So 2, 4. 2 to the power 4, right? 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 to the power 8 is 2 to the power 3 is 8. What? No, 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. If you even whining about this, then you should go back to answer two.
But Mr. Don't you teach algebra? Don't you teach algebra?
I also teach algebra two. But I also algebra two, I curve the grade. So curving the grade is what you want to be familiar when you go to college and university. Here what it is. So instead of I get the perfect score to be the total score, I'm gonna get the highest point on the class.
But isn't that hard?
Let's say I was 53, right? But then the highest student got in the class is 45. Then everything is out of 45. So that's how you curve the grade. Yeah.
So you just don't use that.
Isn't that hard?
No, understand. Also, if I curve the grade, I'm not gonna curve the class because we always have perfect score.
Someone only got 10.
Okay, 4 times 1, 6 is
For
4 over 6, and 4 over 6 equal to 2/3. So unless the perfect score absent, no one got perfect score, then I'm gonna curve the grade.
here?
No, the same. All right, do on your board.
Wait, can we do this like on our part?
Do on your mini whiteboard.
I'm gonna sleep for the whole 7 days. I'm not gonna wake up. Like, if you guys don't hear from me for like that many weeks, if you. Honestly, my loss.
Yeah.
All of course.
2 minutes.
Be like this.
Oh, I guess. I literally.
1, 2, 3, raise your ball. Okay, 1, 2, 3, raise your ball. Keep your ball up, okay? No changing anymore. Thumbs up. All right, Natalie, let me see yours first. So you wanna... Okay, so now ready? David, 1 point.
No, what?
Gary, Valerie,
Oh.
why is it plus?
Oh no.
But why is plus? But why become plus? Why become plus? Okay, Irma. All right. Melanie, Joshua, Abraham, Johanna. So this whole here, this 5 people here. Yeah, for Eduardo, Melanie. So good. That's it. Yeah. But yeah, but there's nothing you can do. So that's it. Huh?
Can I get it?
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm good. It's good.
Yeah,
All right. So 6 good. So change it to 1 over 6, right? And now you're gonna distribute everything here. Remember everything, including number. I changed the 36 right here,
Oh, okay.
but whatever first is fine. So 6 to the power 2 over 6.
Explain, but I just can't explain it.
Then 3 over 6. 3 over 6. Yeah. So 36 I changed it to 6 square. And now I distribute the one of actually I distribute here, not here. Not here. And then 3 over 6 is 1 1 3. Oh, we're gonna talk something else. This is 1 3, and then this is 1 6 1 half. 3 over 6 1 half.
But don't, I love that.
So, or if you want this form, you can also write this on the screen.
Just I'm crazy after watching that. That's what I'm saying. It looks interesting when you first see it.
Oh,
But I'm the real shit, I can't do it.
13, level 4.
Bro.
Only 3 more.
Yeah, don't do it.
You like Allison?
Only 3 more.
I was probably.
This one is.
You like all the bad guys.
Look like there's nothing you can do, right?
It's square root both sides.
X and then Y, one.
You know what we're gonna do here? Because there's nothing you simplify. Ruby, what we're gonna do?
Huh?
Yeah, give one more Ruby. Very good. Rationalize. We don't want the square root on the bottom. So what do we multiply to get it? Get rid of the square root. Remember?
Yes, that's why I want to watch it. It's too much like, you know,
What do you multiply to?
sinful shit.
Square root.
I want to watch it, but
Too loud. Whatever you do to the bottom, you need to do the top. Okay. What is square root of y times square root of y? It's just y, right? So that's level 4. Level 4 actually just like rationalize it. Okay, it's a different topic. It's not hard, but it's a different topic.
everything is.
But then because it's so obvious, that's what we're getting upset. Not really. It didn't like that.
That's it. Yeah.
You rationalize.
Negative power. Take care of the negative first. How do you take care of negative? Flip what? Can you tell me what to write, Lenny?
One.
Huh?
One over one.
Then she might.
Right. One more for Lenny? Not yet. Okay. What is 2 over 3? 2 over 3 actually the root, right? If you write 2 over 3, actually it is square and then this is cube root. Again, this is the root. So yeah, you need to rationalize. So we don't want fractional power on the bottom.
So like I can't be.
Only if he doesn't want. Only if he doesn't want the square root of
So what do you multiply then? That's the question. What do you multiply? That's the question.
I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I'm not gonna believe anything. I'm just gonna stop. I'm gonna stop.
Multiply the red one? No, the red one is, oh, you mean multiply the same thing? Oh, you want to multiply something? So don't write yet, just to try it, okay?
Yeah.
So
I'm not gonna watch it. That shit demonic.
that is the same here, okay? So I just write the same.
I don't want to, but at the same time,
Just don't write yet, let's see. What do you want to do with 2 over 3 and 2 over 3? That's one.
over 9.
Alright, can we make that some here? Can we make that some here? Can we make that some here? Save that later. Yeah. What we gonna do here?
you're gonna combine them.
Which came?
Combine them, right? So y 2/3 plus 2/3. That's 4 over 3. We didn't achieve our goal. It's still fraction.
Oh, then you like.
Oh, we don't want fraction of power. That's already violated. Not what? What do we multiply?
By the
Yeah.
What? How did we end up there?
So what is the goal? What is the goal? The goal is we want the power here to be 1, right? That's the goal. So ask yourself, what do you multiply here so that you can get the power become 1? Now that comes to that question. What did you multiply to?
The negative.
You just flip. Flip.
No, the
3/2.
Okay,
that thing. Yeah, that thing.
times 3/2.
Yeah.
You add them. You don't multiply them. You add
So
them.
you can.
That's not gonna be 1. That's gonna be 4, 9. 4 and 9 is 13/6.
By -2/3.
All right, so 3/2 times -2/3. 2/3.
Yay.
Equals 0, right?
So that's gonna be 0. That's equal to 1.
So that's not the goal.
No, man.
Sir, you make everything harder.
So 3.
Instead of whining, that, think about this. What number you add to 2/3 to get 1? That's not a hard question.
Oh,
If you only think, oh, that's so hard, then you cannot gonna get those solutions.
1/3.
Negative.
1/3.
Kayla,
1/3.
1/3.
I know that. You're only know by success.
Right? That's it, see? Not that hard. So 2/3 plus 1/3 is 1. That's what we want. So that's it. So 1 point for Kayla. Just add by yourself what number you can add to get 1. Okay? What number?
But it has to be big. Can you-
Yeah, you need to have same way, of course.
I mean, that thing. Can you do it with that?
No. Yeah. Because we if you do anything, then you go back to the original problem. Yeah. Right.
Did you just go back?
Add to get 1.
I have to go out.
What number add to get 1? Isn't that's not that hard. If you really think about it, it's not that hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 more. That's it. 2 more.
I'm gonna get this one right now.
The last one is going to be on mini whiteboard so you can get point. Not the last one, but the last one you're going to do mini whiteboard. So how are we going to do this? That T. I want to get used to different letter. Sometimes if you see different letter, you don't be scary. That's the point. Letter is just random variable. Okay. What do you want to multiply to get the T to power 1? 3 over 4. Now you got the concept. So 3 T to the power 3 over 4. T to the power 3 over 4. Okay. What about you do the bottom? You do the top. That's just be aware of that. Okay. And then you know 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is 1. So that's the answer.
Nice.
Yeah. So just think about yourself. Add yourself what number you add to get 1. That's the goal.
What?
The one at the
Number two
bottom.
T.
Oh, wait, it's one. Oh, but disappeared.
Oh.
Not disappear.
Yeah, it's disappeared.
Yeah. In the La La Land. Yes.
The last one?
Last one. Last one.
Whiteboard?
Last one. Do on the mini whiteboard.
Oh my God.
Easy.
That's D.
Or two.
A 3 point for you.
D.
C. C. That's like right here. Okay, look at it. Easy. 1 minute only.
Wait, chill.
1 minute?
We the point is to get 1 in the fraction, right?
What? You want to get the power 1 on fractions. Let me see. I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Why you- it's- I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't-
That means it's wrong.
Why did you erase the other problem? I was doing that as a guy.
What you guys doing?
Still there. Number 15 there. Did you write number 15?
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay, just
Like that. Get one in T, then like what I said before. What? What you get? Huh?
I don't know. I didn't say it.
What you guys get?
Why?
Like
Oh,
usually.
yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Say it. What did you get?
What do you multiply to get a one? Oh, let's convert it first, okay? So x, y, z to the power 1/4. What do you add to get one?
Z, 3/4.
3/4. 3/4. Because 3/4 add 1/4 is one. So x, y, z, 3/4. That's it. Or you can write x or x, y. This is power 4. Z to power 3. Either way is fine. Either way is fine. Okay, good job, everyone.
Go.
It's just different type. It's not like not like order, but it's different type.
I was like, okay, we were close enough. You were close enough.
Oh, we did that one. Wait,
Oh, yeah.
Like, act like, and you go like.
Yeah.
Free break. You people now. You email.
You want it, Mama? Or you want to go back to school?
You did not free break only.
Yeah, but I have